Hey everybody, Mike B back with a short little video about something that I have just started carrying in my online store. We got Replica M61 fragmentation grenades. So a little bit about the process of this is I get the paperweight grenades that are really common and they're everywhere and whatever, and they come in like raw metal. And what I do is I actually paint these like a correct color olive drab green. I install the spring kits, which you can see the little knob for that, or the little pin for that is right there. And so these have the spring kits that make the spoon fly off after you remove both the safety clip, which is another thing I add, and the pin. So it would be perfect for reenactments and stuff like that and living history. It's pretty interesting. And then I went ahead and got some stamps, which were fun to design and get the right font and everything in the right size. And I got the correct markings that would have been done on an M61 at the time for like 1967. This is, May of 1967. Kind of a cool little thing. I wanted to just do some for myself, right? But I had a good friend of mine that was like, I really want to buy some of those. And I was like, okay, well, maybe I should be selling these then. So I've decided to sell these. They're on the online store. You can read more about them there. They're very time consuming, but I think they turned out about as good as they're going to get. Yeah, so check them out on the store. I'll put the link in the description. They can't be shipped outside the US or to California. Sorry, guys. But if you have a Vietnam impression or you just want one of these for your collection and your display, yeah, check out the listing, read about them, and we'll see you on the next video.